We're almost finished with this flag. We've come to the final process, which is the finishing process. And I'm really excited about how it's turning out. But I'm going to do something different with this flag, something that I haven't done on any of my other flags for the finishing. We're going to finish it with a tabletop epoxy. And I've partnered with Upstart Epoxy for this stage of the project. I've worked with this product before. I'm really excited to use it. It mixes up very clear. It's a great finish. Upstart has a fantastic product. I've got an affiliate code. It's in my, you can find it in my link tree. If you'd like to try out their product, I highly recommend it. I'm telling you, some really great stuff, and the prices are right on point. So let's get started. I'm going to tape off the underneath part of it, and that should reduce the amount of sanding that I have to do on the back side once this epoxy dries.